Ano na din mo random? Female. Female na din. Mga platinum white nga amo to. Ang platinum dyan nga mahal galing tag pilang interest ang nakadako sa kalibor 800. Once again guys, it's Don again of Omega Aquatics. So today is another beautiful day. I'm here with my boy Max. Sayo pong aso ko na pinakamabait. So if you know him, he has a lot of bad reputation about all of my friends, mga kaibigan ko kasi I don't know. But he is a good boy now. And I'm here with him kasi umiingay siya pag nagbablog ako. I think he wants to be included in the video, so siya. So he is an American bully. Anyways, it's a beautiful day again, guys, and today I'll be going to a koi and goldfish farm. Matagal na akong bumibili sa kanila since I had opened the pet store or pet shop. So guys, I'll show you kung ano yung mga isda nila at bibili ako ng mga goldfish oranda breeders. So I'll be buying some fishes na gagawin nating breeder. Okay? Kamu gini nagpapatawa. Wala duwa na kili kabilog, di mo madpan sa mong mic. May unod na diya. Munggon mo no. Ay, sa madpan. Madpan. Rin. Try to check the koi. Mga platinum white nga. Tama to? Ang platinum niya bata. Oh, wala nagidag ng mga mulay, like gano. Yung koi pan nila naman. Wow, dako. Sabi din mo. may butterfly mo din sa una nga platin, no, Mike, no? Sige mo.
Dumbo. Ayaw ka. Aman na ganyan nag-breed mo nila. Kung siya pala. Wow, nakatawa ko lang daw. Plan na ito ito. Malaki na yun na. Ngayon, ba't kita may bata? Doon ka kamot na. Nakagaling ko sila. May happy meron.
Back at the house, guys. So I have already placed the goldfish on their holding tanks. So pinaka-importante sa lahat is you always have a spare aquarium or a tank where you can always place or quarantine your fish, because hindi natin alam kahit they came from a reputable breeder or maybe binili mo siya sa pet store, right? Just to make sure na hindi ma-infect yung mga dati mo ng isda or your mga stock mo ng fish. Hindi magkakasakit. Just to avoid, right? You just need to quarantine your fish. So I already learned my lesson na dati I was able to quarantine them for just a couple of days, and I was already believing na okay na yon. So I placed them along with my old fishes. So it was a disaster. So some of my fishes ay namatay dahil doon. So I lost a couple of ranchos and my high-back ryukens too. So right now, ginagawa ko nandito na sila sa aking holding tank. Kasi I'll be giving them maybe 2 weeks or a month before I segregate the male and the female. So the reason why I purchase or bumili ako ng mga bagong breeder, kasi yung lalaking breeder ko na to, Oranda breeder, masyado nang matanda, I think, and is not really breeding anymore. Is really good for collection. It's quite big, I know. It's really good, but it's not doing its purpose anymore. So he's good as pet quality, right? And maybe I'm going to sell him. I'm not sure. But as you can see, dito yung mga bago kong breeder na mga Oranda. I'll be breeding them next. And I also want to thank our friend Kenneth Alvarez for allowing us to do film and make some videos at their place. So salamat, mabuting kaibigan. So if you want to buy some fishes from them, maybe I'll be leaving the link of his Facebook account down below in the comment section. Maybe Yeah, and you could be able to ask them or maybe go there to check the price and check the fishes that they have there. So marami silang koi tsaka goldfish doon na binibenta. And maybe I'll be going back there too to purchase more goldfish. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. Um, we have already reached 100 subscribers. I really appreciate the people who usually watch our videos. Meron isang suggestion and I was going to tell you that one as well. So I'll be giving some giveaways too in this channel. So, but of course, I need some help from you guys. So here's the thing: we're going to need to reach 1,000 subscribers and also maybe 500 likes and 500 shares or 1,000 shares maybe of our videos or any videos, right? And comment your name down below or just leave a comment on my video, and I'll going to check on that. And if we already reached the 1,000 subscribers, right? Doon tayo magbibigay ng pair of betta fish siguro. Maybe we'll pick 5 winners. Maybe, sige, 5 winners ng betta and goldfish. Okay? So, pair, betta fish, maybe a crown tail or koi, HMPK, nandito sa akin, what I have on hand. And maybe some oranda or Yukon goldfish. So 5 winners. I'll be picking 5 winners. I'm not sure if I could ship it outside the country, but if you're just here in the Philippines, maybe magawa natin ng paraan yan. Okay, so thank you so much guys again for watching, and that's all I can share to you today, and hope to see you next time. Peace out.